Cardio exercise good for more than your heart. Lower your blood sugar. Cardio exercise helps lower blood sugar, glucose levels, and improve insulin resistance if you have diabetes. Resistance training, like weightlifting, is also good. A combination of the two seems to help the most. Talk to your doctor before you start a new fitness routine if you have diabetes, especially if you take insulin or other meds. Get a better night's sleep. Cardio may be good for your shut eye. Scientists know that it can help you keep an even mood, wind down at bedtime, and set up a healthy sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm. The exact brain effects aren't always clear, but people who exercise more tend to get more of the deep, slow-wave sleep that helps renew the brain and body. But try not to exercise too close to bedtime, which disrupts sleep for some people. Remember better. People who move around more or less likely to get Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. That's in part because exercise helps prevent things that can raise your chances of getting dementia, such as obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and depression. Help ease arthritis pain. As you age, your knees and other joints can get osteoarthritis. The movement of aerobic exercise, like jogging or biking, is one of the most effective ways to ease pain and inflammation. And whether you walk, swim, or row a boat, your heart gets fitter, which makes it easier to stay active. When you combine physical activity with a healthy diet, you can drop extra pounds, which takes pressure off your knees. Help fight germs. Regular aerobic exercise appears to help your body fight illness caused by viruses and bacteria. That's partially because it helps blood get around your body better, which means germ-fighting substances get where they need to go. Scientists continue to study exactly how exercise helps boost the immune system, your body's defense against germs. Heart health is just the start. You probably already know that cardio or aerobic exercise, the kind that gets your heart pumping, is good for your ticker. It lowers your resting pulse and strengthens your heart muscle. That's why as you slowly lengthen your cardio workouts, you're able to go for longer time and distance. But your heart isn't the only part of your body that benefits. Improve your mood. Aerobic exercise like running can help ease depression and anxiety well enough that your doctor or therapist may suggest it as a treatment. Part of the reason might be that it seems to enlarge your hippocampus, an area of your brain that manages emotion, and slow the breakdown of brain cells. Stick with it on a regular basis for several months to get the most benefit. Think better. People who do more aerobic exercise may be better at executive function, the ability to organize information, interpret it, and act on it. Just a single workout session can increase blood flow to the part of your brain called the prefrontal cortex, which helps control your executive function. Over the long term, exercise seems to help brain cells in your prefrontal cortex connect more easily. Learn better. Neuroplasticity is the ability of your brain to change when you learn and do new things. Younger brains are generally better at this than older ones. But you can help preserve your neuroplasticity with cardio exercise, along with resistance training. Breathe better. Even if you have a lung condition, regular cardio exercise can help improve your breathing. If the gym's not your thing, a walk, jog, or a regular tennis game can do the trick. Just make sure to talk to your doctor about your exercise plan if you already have breathing problems.